Good afternoon, WIMS Bulls. This is Mrs. Westhead, your friendly neighborhood school librarian. And I wanted to show you a few cool tools in regards to Google Docs today. Google Docs is a word processing program just like Microsoft Word. So basically you would probably use this for typing essays and stories for English and other subjects, history, social studies, etc. Lots and lots of uses. But I particularly want to show you how to use Google Docs to help you give the appropriate credit to other people and their information and ideas when you are writing a paper. So this is a sample document from last year from my M3 class, and it was a writing prompt. They had to look at a poem and watch a clip from a video from a movie and write about what they thought the connection was between the poem and the movie and the book that they were reading at the same time. So let's have a look at how this works. So maybe I'm starting off my paragraph with the poem. The poem Nothing Gold Can Stay by Robert Frost may mean, and we might continue going on. So what we're going to do is we are going to utilize the Explore tool. The Explore tool is this little box that appears in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you hover over it, the word Explore also appears. It's a little place setting with a star in it. So this is how it works. You can either just click it and do basic research, but if you highlight what you are wanting to look up, you highlight it, and you click the Explore button, Google does the searching for you. And it's going to ask you, which one did you mean? Do you mean the poem? Do you mean the character? Do you mean something else? Even some pictures. And in this case, we specifically want the poem by Robert Frost. So I'm going to double click on that. And you're going to see I have options from the web. I have images, and there's even whatever might be in my Google Drive. So let's look at the web. You're going to see, scroll down on here, and there's some Wikipedia stuff, but then there's our web results. If we click on any of these, it will open up in a new tab, and it'll give us the information that we need. So maybe we want to copy and paste a quote. Don't forget to give it a signal phrase so that your reader knows that you're copying information. But what we can do is once we've copied and pasted, we can all simply put in a citation right here. And it does it for us. So you're going to place your cursor where you want the note to go. And I'm going to hover over the web link that I clicked on. And you're going to see these little quotation marks have appeared in the top corner. Cite as footnotes. So all I need to do is click that button, and you'll see a little 1 has appeared next to that. And what has that done? It has put a footnote with a citation at the bottom of my page. Super, super easy, isn't it? Rather than trying to figure out how to do a citation on your own, Google does it for you. So let's look at the images. We're going to change our search term. We're going to look for a picture of Robert Frost himself. Okay, so we're searching for Robert Frost. There's the information about him. Let's go to images. And oh, look, we've got some old pictures of him when he was young, pictures of him when he was a little older. You'll see a little plus button has appeared on the image when I hover over it. All I need to do is click the plus, and it will add the image to my document. I can resize it as I need to if I need to make it a little smaller. But what is really cool is that Google has automatically made a connection with that photo. So whoever is looking at my document can see where I got my photo from. And in this case, that photo came from Wikimedia. I unclick it, it disappears. I click on it again, that information appears. But what is particularly great about using Explore tool to find images in Google Docs is that it only shows you images that you are free to use. That means they are either copyright free or they fall under Creative Commons or under fair use. So there's no problem with using them. You don't have to worry if you've got permission or not, because you definitely do have permission. So it makes your life so much easier. And I will tell you, the Explore tool is also available in Google Slides. It doesn't do the quotations like it does in Google Docs, but it's definitely the best place to help you find images when you're creating slide presentations for your teachers. So I hope this has been super useful to you and you've learned a lot. Have a good day.